Hello students. Today we are going to start very important topic menstrual cycle. Now question is that rise what is menstrual cycle? Basically menstrual cycle is a type of reproductive cycle and it is found in only primates. Primates, for example humans, apes and monkeys, they all are primates. So menstrual cycle is a reproductive cycle of humans, apes and monkeys. Basically in human females the menstrual cycle is of 28 days, especially in females. One basic term always used by scientists, it is known as menarche. Now question is that rise what is menarche? The basic meaning of menarche is first menstrual flow. It means starting of the menstrual cycle at the age of puberty. We know that puberty age is related to the 11 to the 13, especially in females. So whenever the first menstrual fluid came out from the reproductive part of the female or the vaginal part of the female, this first menstrual fluid is known as menarche, or this event is known as menarche. After that, second word is also used or proposed by the gynecologist or the scientist. It is known as menopause. What is menopause? Stopping of the menstrual cycle at the age of 45 to 50 years is known as menopause. It means whenever menstrual flow slowly stop, it is known as menopause. Now question is that rise during the menstrual cycle, what is the reproductive phase? So before the reproductive phase, menarche will start. After the reproductive phase, menopause is there. But during the reproductive phase, females have got tendency to release ovum. Neither before reproductive phase or nor after the reproductive phase, they have not tendency to produce ovum. So in that meanwhile, or in this duration from menarche to till then the menopause, in that duration female have got a specific phase which is known as reproductive phase. In this phase females have tendency to produce or release ovum. Now according to the whole explanation, what is the definition of the menstrual cycle? Menstrual cycle basically cycle of events which occurs from one menstruation till the next is called menstrual cycle. And menstrual cycle is controlled by many hormones. Remember it, these hormones, it is very important question. Which types of hormones control the menstrual cycle? There are 4 types of hormones which play a very important role to control the whole menstrual cycle. These hormones are known as first FSH, follicle stimulating hormones, LH, luteinizing hormones, estrogen and progesterone. FSH and LH, they both, whenever they combine together, they both are also known as gonadotropic hormones because they both are released from pituitary. Pituitary have got tendency to release the FSH and LH. Estrogen and progesterone also play a very important role in menstrual cycle. So in the case of menstrual cycle, these 4 hormones play a very important role. Now after that, for our convenient, we will divide the whole menstrual cycle in 4 phases. These phases are known as menstrual phases. What are they? These phases are known as first menstrual phase, second follicular phase. Follicular phase is also known as proliferative phase. Third phase is known as ovulatory phase, and the fourth phase is known as luteal phase or secretory phase. First of all, we will discuss the menstrual phase. What is menstrual phase? Now look, just like name, menstrual phase means whenever the first starting of menstrual cycle takes place. At last for 3 to 5 days it takes place, and in this phase menstrual flow takes place. It means from, especially in females, from day 1 to till then day 5, the menstrual flow always came out from the female reproductive part or the vaginal part. In each and every cycle, 30 to 50 ml blood loss in every cycle will found, according to the scientist. Now, the most important thing which is related to the menstrual phase, it is menstrual flow occurs due to the breakdown of the endometrium wall. We know that uterus have got their endometrium wall, and the endometrium wall, whenever it break down, then endometrium wall is responsible for the menstrual fluid and its blood vessels which forms liquid that's come out through vagina. So menstrual fluid is basically came out from the vaginal part due to the rupturing or breakdown of the endometrium wall and their blood vessels. Now the another important term which is related to it is known as, remember the word, stratum functional. This is very very important. ये एम्स में भी पूछा गया था. What is stratum functional? Sometime whenever the menstrual fluid came out from the vaginal part, some pieces also found into the menstrual fluid. These pieces are called stratum functional. Remember it, these pieces are known as stratum functional. In fact, these pieces are the degenerated endometrium wall species. Whenever the endometrium wall degenerated and their pieces came out or mix up with the menstrual fluid and they came out from the reproductive part of the female. So these pieces like structures are known as stratum functional. So remember it, it is very very important. Some scientists also propose a punchline which is known as weeping of uterus. Whenever the menstrual fluid came out or whenever the menstruation process takes place in females, so it is also called weeping of uterus. It means uterus का रोना. जब भी यूट्रस रोएगा तो उसमें से क्या होगा, लिक्विड बाहर को आएगा, and this liquid is known as menstrual fluid. So weeping of uterus is known as menstruation. Now the another important term, during pregnancy. Remember it, during pregnancy there is lack of menstruation. Why? Because after fertilization endometrium wall have no tendency to break down. If the endometrium wall not break down, menstrual fluid will not came out from the vaginal part. So that's why during pregnancy there is a lack of menstruation. And lack of menstruation may be a indication of pregnancy. That's why. But not all the time. Lack of menstruation may be poor diet, stress, and poor health. Apart from that, if the particular female or girl is suffering from anemia, खून की कमी, if she is anemic, then lack of menstruation will be takes place in it. So in next video we will discuss the follicular phase.